The one of the most powerful nations in the world are USA and China. Gender everyone, I'm Karan Pakramisha and today I'm here to deliberately on a topic US-China rivalry. The rivalry between the United States and China is one of the most defining geopolitical challenges in the 21st century. It's not all about the military confrontation, but it's also the competition in the economies, technology, military power, and global influence. The heart of this rivalry is basically based on the power transition. The United States that has long been as the one of the most dominant superpower in the world, while the China's rapid growth over the last 4 decades challenged its dominance. The China wants to reshape the global order as then they can reflect their ideas to the whole world, while USA wants to hold back this power. Economically, both the nations are interdependent yet increasing competitive. That results into the tariff wars, power, security threat, and many other things. In the technology basis, at the technology basis, the growing competition is in the basically in the region of the semiconductors, 5G networks, communications, intelligence, and the access of the technologies. The leaders transform the leaders translate this into the economic and military development. On the strategically basis, the Indo-Pacific region is the basic theater of their competition. The Pakistan's the China's growing influence in the South China Sea and its intentions regarding the Taiwan is continuously alarming the Washington. So as the result, the USA has made many alliances and partnerships like the Quad and the Indo-Pacific strategy that results into the free and open Indo-Pacific region. While the China has also taken many steps like adapted the initiative of the Belt and Road Initiative that helps them to build the investment in the other developing nations and build a healthy relationship in the Europe, Africa, and Asia. So, in the conclusion, the rivalry between the India and China is a structural and long term. It reflects to the two different visions of the different nations. One that is the rooted democracy and alliances, and other that is the state-led development and the structural monotony. So, how this rivalry between the US and China is managed will decide to the global peace and the development of the whole world. So, by this, I would like to end my lecture. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.